Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm so glad that you've joined me today. We have a festive treat for you with some gingerbread biscuits. Our ingredients are 400 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of soft brown sugar, 100 milliliters of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, and 130 grams of vegan margarine. Place the maple syrup, sugar, ginger and cinnamon into a saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat until the sugar starts to melt. Next we're going to add our teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. And now to add in our 130 grams of vegan margarine. Be sure to keep stirring so it doesn't stick to the pan. We'll now add our wet ingredients to the flour and stir until it's all nicely combined. And then I'm just going to gently knead it until it forms a nice dough. We'll then take our dough and roll it out between the 2 sheets of baking paper until it's about 5 millimeters thick. Put the rolled out dough in the fridge to rest for about 30 minutes. Cut out shapes using the cutters of your choice. Once the cookies are cut out, put them back in the fridge for about 15 minutes before putting them into the oven. Put the cookies in the oven at gas mark 4 for 12 minutes. This is how your cookies should look once you've taken them out of the oven. I decided to decorate mine with a little ginger spice icing sugar just to, make them look a little bit pretty. Here we have our gingerbread biscuits, great for sharing, great for this festive season. So enjoy and let me know when you make them. Remember to give this video a thumbs up on YouTube and remember to share and to subscribe if you haven't already, and have a lovely festive season with your friends and your family, and may God bless you.